Hi everybody. Hi, hi Myosan. Hi people sitting in this retreat. I hope you're fine. Just wanted to share simple. In the beginning of Shobogenzo, Dogen quotes Nyojo, very famous poem made famous in America because it was I think on each cover of the very close Wind Bell, the San Francisco Zen Center publication. As Mike translates it, it goes this way. Whole body like a mouth, hanging in space. Whole body like a mouth, hanging in space. Not asking if the wind is east, west, south, or north. Not asking if the wind is east, south, west, or north. For all others equally, it speaks prajna. For all others equally, it speaks prajna. Chinten ton lian, chinten ton, chinten ton lian, chinten ton. It used to be a tradition in China, and it's still a tradition in Japan, to have these little wind bells that would sound every so often, just to carve the silence, just to make you feel aware of the silence. This practice is to be like a mouth. But what is ringing really? Is it just this little piece of metal? What is ringing? Just your body? Or something bigger? Much bigger? If you think your body is your body, then you make a sound. But when you surrender yourself, then the body of the whole universe becomes your body. That's the meaning of when you empty the self, you make it free, then it sings. If it's stuck full, it doesn't do anything. Not asking if the wind comes from the east, the south, the north, or the west, obviously. Carefreeness is the essence of our practice. Am I a Buddha? Am I the deluded being? What does that take me to? Why do I sit? Countless questions may arise And as they arise, you let them float and go away, cloud-like, just like you are, cloud-like. Carefree ease doesn't have to do with picking up and choosing one wind or another. Looking for the song of the bell. Trying, as I was describing this morning about the way we try, and trying we mess it up. It's precisely the opposite. Relinquishing, dropping, forgetting. This body of yours, so vast, you cannot see it. You just can be it. This body-mind of yours, let it sing. What is a song of Shikantaza? What is a song of Shikantaza? Sometimes this, sometimes all sounds, man-made, natural sounds, whatever. There again, please, don't choose. Don't pick up and choose a sound. Of course, the bird songs are great, but equally valid. Traffic, plane, doors, voices. As you sit, the wind, whatever, makes the bell sing. And this quality of prajna that cut through duality is what Zazen expresses. Is there you and the sound? Is there you and the sound happening inside you? Is there no you, no sound, and yet sound? You may investigate this. Again, don't try to get an answer. Don't try to map things out. The mapping is a work of a traveler that wants to go somewhere. You don't want to go somewhere. You want to be here. Of course, you might argue this is the longest journey of all. But it can be done in a flash. So consciousness before, during, or after. I wish you a wonderful practice. I wish you a wonderful sound, an inspiring sound, a sound in which all traces of yourself have gone. And don't tell me it's not possible. because it's happening with or without you. Take care. And thank you for listening.